This is a video tutorial on how to access your degree evaluation and run what-if scenarios at Southern Connecticut State University. To follow along, please log into your student portal at login.southernct.edu. Once you are logged into your student portal, go to the BannerWeb application. Once you are in BannerWeb, go to the Student Services section. In the Student Services section, select Student Records. From there, select Degree Evaluation. The next screen that will appear will ask you to select the current term. Select the semester you wish to explore. Usually, this will be the upcoming semester, for example, spring 2022. Once you have selected a term, you should click Submit. You should then see your information appear under the section Curriculum Information. To proceed, select Catalog Term Fall 2015 or later, which is located at the bottom of the page. This will bring you to your degree evaluation. To run the what-if analysis, select the tab What-if Analysis, located under your personal information. When you click What-if Analysis, the format of the screen will change. To continue with the what-if analysis, you will first enter the catalog year for the most current semester. The next step is to add the program you are considering to the Areas of Study section. To do this, click the drop-down tab in the box labeled Program. A list of majors will appear on the screen. For our purposes, we will select Interdisciplinary Studies, Bachelor of Arts. In the next section, titled Areas of Study, you will see that your major will automatically appear and say Interdisciplinary Studies, so there is no need to fill it in again here. To the right of the major box, you will select the drop-down arrow of the concentration box and select your first concentration. For example, Communications. To add additional concentrations to your what-if analysis, click the arrow to the right of Additional Areas of Study. When you click the arrow, a large blue box with a plus button will appear. Click the blue box to add your second concentration. Please note that for this section, you cannot select a concentration unless you select a major first. Once you have selected your major, you will be able to select your concentration. For our purposes, we will select Criminal Justice. After you have selected a concentration, you will not need to select an option under the Minor or Program tabs. Click the blue Add button when completed. Note that once you click the Add button, you cannot edit that area of studies. You will have to start another what-if analysis. If you would like to add another additional concentration, click on the large blue box with the plus sign in it and repeat the previous steps. Once all of your concentrations are selected, press the blue Process button at the bottom of the page. It might take a few minutes to load the what-if analysis. Once loaded, you should be able to see your what-if analysis. This looks like a degree evaluation, but it has changed the requirements to your prospective major and concentrations. Listed first are the requirements for the Bachelor of Arts degree, which are the same for all Southern students. Then you will see your writing intensive course requirement, upper division requirement, and general education requirements. As you continue to scroll down, you will see the 3 general education tiers and each of those requirements. Then you will be able to see the requirements for your major in Interdisciplinary Studies. As you continue to scroll down, you will see the specific requirements for each of your concentration areas. The first concentration selected, Communication, and then the specific requirements for the second concentration selected, Criminal Justice. At the bottom of the page, a legend is provided for your reference as well. After reviewing your what-if analysis, you can save or print this document by clicking the printer icon at the top of the page. This allows you to print or save the information as a PDF. If you have any other questions, please explore our website at www.southernct.edu/IDS or email us at idsinfo@southernct.edu.